Now, welcome. In this class, we shall consider a problem relating to classification of states. Now, before solving a problem on classification of states, we have to check the following points. So, now let us discuss some common points which we have to verify while solving the problem. Now, in the first step, we have to draw the transition graph. Now, in second step, step 2, we test whether the states are transient or persistent. We test whether the states are transient or persistent. So here we have to find f j star, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity f n for state j. Now if f star, this we get equal to 1, then state j is a persistent state. And if it is f star, if it is less than 1, that implies state j is a transient state. Now in the next point, third step, we have to find the mean recurrence time for state j, as mu jj, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity n f n. Now if mu jj, this is equal to infinite, then the state j is a null state. If mu jj is finite, then the state j is a non-null state. Now then, step 4, we have to verify whether the state is periodic or aperiodic. So we have to find the period of any state. For state J, the period of state J is given by dj, that is equal to GCD of n such that Pjjn greater than 0 for all n. If dj equal to 1, then state J is aperiodic. If it is greater than 1, then state J is periodic. So here J must be a return state. Now in the next step 5, we have to check or find the limit. If Pjjn this is greater than 0, then we find limit n tends to infinity Pjjn, and this is equal to dj by mu jj, where dj is the period of state j. If it is aperiodic, then this will be dj equal to 1, so this will be 1 by mu jj. If state j is persistent, non-null, and aperiodic, then state j is called as an ergodic state. Is called as an ergodic states. Now another point, if two states are communicable, with each other, then both the states will have same properties. That is, if suppose J and K are communicable with each other, and suppose state J is aperiodic, then state K will also be an aperiodic state. Now, let us solve an example. Classify the states of the Markov chain Xn n greater than equal to 0 with state space S equal to 0, 1, 2 and the transition probability matrix P equal to P equal to 0, half, 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 0, half, then half, half, 0. Now we have to classify, means we have to verify all those 4 steps that we have discussed. So now, first in the first step, we have considered that we have to draw the transition graph. So now if we draw the transition graph, then this is state 0, this is state 1, then 0 to 0, this is 0, then 0 to 1, this is half, and 0 to 2, this is also, this probability is half. Then 1 to 0, this probability is half, and 1 to 2, this probability is half. Then 2 to 0, this probability is half, and 2 to 1, this probability is half. So that means here from the transition graph, this is a transition graph. Now from this transition graph, it is clear that all the states are communicable with each other. So the Markov chain is irreducible. Now since the Markov chain is irreducible and all the states are communicable with each other, so all the states will have the same property. So we first verify for the state 0 for different properties, and state 1 and state 2 will have the same property as the state 0. So now start for the properties of state 0. So for the state 0, we have to find f00 star, that is equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity f00 n. So this will be equal to f000 plus f001 plus f002 plus up to so on. Now f000, this will be always equal to 0, and f001, this is also equal to 0 because 0 to 0 in one transition is not possible. Now f0 to 0 in two transitions, that is possible because we can go from, the system can go from 0 to 1, then come back 1 to 0. So the probabilities will be half into half. This is equal to. So again it can go, sorry, it is, there is another path also. Here 0 to 1, then 1 to 0. Again it can go from P0 to 2 and then come back 2 to 0. So this will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. So now F003, 3 steps. So here this will be P011, so P011 and then P12 2, then P22 0, then P0 to 2, then P2 to 1, then P1 to 0. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 by 4. So then F004, 0 to 0 in 4 steps. So this will be P01 1 into P12 1 into P21 1, then P12 in one step plus P02 1 P21 1, then P1 to 2, then P2 to 0. So this will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 8. So similarly, we can find F00n, n greater than equal to 5. So now we shall find F00 star, that is equal to F000 plus F001 plus F002 plus F003 plus F004 plus up to so on. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 8 plus up to so on. So here 1 by 2 taking common, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus up to so on. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 and this will be 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 and this is equal to 1. So fjj star is equal to 1 here for j equal to 0. So that implies state 0 is persistent. It is not a transient state. So now we have to find the mean recurrence time. So for mean recurrence time, we have the formula mean recurrence time for state 0. So that is equal to mu 0 0, that is equal to n equal to 0 to infinity n fjj n. So this will be equal to 0 into f0 0, sorry, this is j equal to 0. So f00 n plus 1 into f001 plus 2 into f002 plus up to so on. So this will be equal to, so these two are 0, 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into half plus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 8 plus up to so on. So now this is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square plus 4 into 1 by 2 cube plus up to so on. Now this is equal to so this is equal to, now let us take 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 0 plus 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 3 plus up to so on, then minus 1. So we take here, we add this term and this is 1 by 2 to the power 0, this is 1, 1 into 1, this is 1. So we add 1 here. So here we subtract 1. So now this is equal to, now let us find a sum. We have 1 plus r square plus r cube plus up to so on. So this is equal to 1 by 1 minus r. This is mod r less than 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to r. So we get this is 1 plus 2 into r to the power 2 minus 1, r to the power 1, plus 3 into r to the power 3 minus 1, 2, plus up to so on. So this is equal to 1 by 1 minus r whole square. Now using r equal to half here, we get this series. If we use r equal to half, then left side this becomes equal to this one, this series. So we can use this formula here using r equal to half. So using r equal to half here, we get 1 by 1 minus half square minus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So mu 0 0 equal to 3, which is finite. So that implies state 0 is non-null, is a non-null state. Now state 0 is persistent and state 0 is non-null. Now we shall find the periodicity. Now for periodicity, of state 0, we have P00 1. That is equal to 0. P00 2, that is equal to 0 to 0 in 2 steps. This is greater than 0. P00 in 3 steps. This is also greater than 0. So D0 equal to GCD of n such that P00n greater than 0. That is equal to GCD of 2, 3 up to so on, that is equal to 1. So that implies state 0 is aperiodic. So state 0 is persistent, non-null and aperiodic. So now state 0 is persistent, non-null and aperiodic. So that implies state 0 is an ergodic state. State 0 is an ergodic state. Since all the states are communicable with each other, so since state 0 is ergodic, so all these 3 states will be the ergodic state. And all the states here are communicable with each other. In the similar manner, we can classify the state 1 and state 2. So this ends the classification of states, and we use an example how to classify the states of a Markov chain. Thank you.